Make a great choice today with the 2019 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, HD radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.